Charcoal grills provide excellent control over cooking, allowing you to prepare mouth-watering recipes with ease. You can adjust the number of coals and position them to create different heat zones, enabling both high-heat searing and slower, smoky cooking. Monitor the coals closely, as they may need replenishment during use, and ensure they are fully extinguished before storing the grill. The best charcoal grills are built with sturdy materials, offer great temperature control, and include practical features like locking wheels and oversized handles. Here are some of the top charcoal grills available, known for their durability and ease of cleaning. All product links are provided in the description. Number 11. BioLite FirePit Plus and Grill. The BioLite FirePit Plus is the ultimate dual-purpose outdoor device, doubling as a grill and a fire pit. It features a sleek mesh body that lets you watch the flames dance while grilling, creating a captivating, floating fire effect. This versatile grill can use both charcoal and wood, offering flexibility depending on your needs. A fan powered by a rechargeable battery controls airflow, enabling you to adjust flame levels for better cooking or warmth. Number 10. Everdure by Heston Blumenthal, the Cube Grill. Heston Blumenthal's Cube Grill offers a compact and lightweight design perfect for grilling on the go. Its two sturdy handles and latch-lock lid make it highly portable, while the bamboo lid doubles as a cutting board, adding to its convenience. The grill features a porcelain enamel firebox, which sits beneath a metal grate to hold the charcoal. It can be placed on most surfaces, making it ideal for picnics or small gatherings. The storage compartment can hold utensils, food, or even coals, ensuring that everything you need is neatly contained. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable performance, though it comes with a slightly high price tag for its size. Number 9. Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Charcoal Grill. The Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Grill is perfect for compact spaces or occasional grilling. It comes with sturdy handles that make it easy to move, and its compact design allows for effective heat distribution. An adjustable charcoal tray helps control the cooking temperature, and the grill comes with a tool for lifting the hot grates so you can easily add more coals. It delivers solid sear marks and maintains an even temperature throughout. Ideal for those who want a taste of charcoal but don't need a full-size grill, this model also offers easy cleanup, making it a convenient option for smaller cookouts. Number 8. Kamado Joe Classic I Charcoal Grill. The Kamado Joe Classic I is a Kamado-style grill that excels in temperature control and versatility. Its ceramic body provides excellent heat retention, making it perfect for smoking meats or cooking pizzas at high heat. The grill includes tiered stainless steel grates and offers a cushioned seal to prevent slamming the lid shut. While on the pricey side, it's an investment for serious grill enthusiasts. It comes mostly assembled, requiring just a few finishing touches, and can be used on a wheeled base or as a built-in unit. Additional accessories, such as a pizza tray and rotisserie spit, can be purchased to enhance its functionality further. Number 7. Napoleon Charcoal Grill. This grill offers versatility with its 240 square inch cooking area, featuring a 17.5-inch diameter grid for slow smoking, roasting, and searing. Its cast iron grids provide exceptional heat retention for perfect sear marks and can be hinged to easily add charcoal or wood for smoking. With the Vortex heat management system, the grill enhances convection for efficient heat distribution and fuel usage, while directing ash into the bucket. The durable porcelain-coated steel body withstands wear, and the offset hinged lid offers safe access to the cooking surface. Additional features include precise temperature control, rotisserie readiness, and a 10-year limited warranty. Number 6. Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill Plus Smoker. Combining grilling and smoking into one versatile unit, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 is designed for those who want the best of both worlds. It features a digital temperature control panel and a fan to circulate heat evenly, maintaining temperatures between 225 degrees Fahrenheit and 700 degrees Fahrenheit for low and slow cooking or quick searing. The charcoal hopper allows for up to 12 hours of cooking time, while wood chips can be added for an extra smoky flavor. The grill also includes dual-sided cast iron grates for grilling or smoking and can be monitored via an app. Its large size, however, requires significant storage space and protection from the elements. Number 5. Nexgrill Cart-Style Charcoal Grill in black with side shelf. Nexgrill's cart-style charcoal grill is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. With a sturdy construction and side shelf for extra storage, it offers practicality for outdoor cooking. The grill features cast iron grates coated in porcelain enamel, which helps with durability and heat retention. An adjustable charcoal tray allows you to control the distance between the coals and the food, providing versatility in cooking. While some users note that the assembly instructions could be clearer, the grill's overall compact design and features make it a great value option for those who enjoy charcoal grilling but have limited space. Number 4. Dyna-Glo Dual Zone Premium Charcoal Grill. The Dyna-Glo Dual Zone Premium Charcoal Grill is built for large-scale grilling, offering over 800 square inches of cooking space. It features 2 separate cooking zones, allowing you to grill different foods at different temperatures simultaneously. The removable divider also gives you the flexibility to use just half of the grill when cooking for smaller groups. Adjustable charcoal trays and front access doors allow for easy control of heat and coal placement, while an ash drawer simplifies cleaning. Its size and features make it perfect for entertaining, and the built-in bottle opener adds a fun touch for gatherings. Number 3. PK Grill's Grill and Smoker. PK Grill's Grill and Smoker offers unparalleled versatility for both grilling and smoking. Made from 2 solid pieces of cast aluminum, this grill heats evenly and retains heat exceptionally well. 4 adjustable vents provide excellent airflow control, giving you precise temperature management. The rectangular cooking surface allows for even distribution of coals, making it easy to sear meats to perfection. Its lightweight design and durable wheels make it portable enough for camping or tailgating, while still delivering professional-level results. Although it lacks an ashtray, the simple, sturdy design and exceptional cooking performance make it a favorite among grilling enthusiasts. Number 2. Char-Griller Super Pro Black Barrel 30-inch Charcoal Grill. Char-Griller's Super Pro Black Barrel Grill is a popular choice, known for its durability and versatility. The barrel design includes a warming rack to maximize cooking space, and the cast iron grates offer superior heat retention. Adjustable vents allow for precise temperature control, and the grill can be converted into a Texas-style smoker with the optional firebox attachment. Easy to move around, the grill also comes with clear assembly instructions. Though the front shelf is somewhat limited in size, it's a fantastic value for the price, especially for those who appreciate a classic barrel-style charcoal grill. Number 1. Weber Original Kettle Premium 22-inch Charcoal Grill. The Weber Original Kettle Premium 22-inch Charcoal Grill continues to be a top choice for both seasoned grillers and beginners. Its classic design includes an enclosed ash container and a one-touch cleaning system that makes it incredibly easy to maintain. The cooking grate features hinged edges, allowing for the addition of coals without removing the entire grate. The lid includes a heat shield for safe handling, and tool holders on the side handles provide added convenience. Available in various sizes, Weber also offers premium versions with propane ignition and portable models, making this grill versatile for a wide range of grilling needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.